Welcome to Custom Animation's presentation on working at height. Defective ladders must never be used and should be immediately tagged out of service. Ladders must only be used on stable ground, maintaining 3 points of contact when moving up and down the ladder. All ladders must have legible decals indicating the type of ladder, rated capacity, and highest working level. Ladders must also be tall enough to allow safe access to the work area. Extension ladders must be secured at both the base and top. The pull rope should not be used for this purpose. Be sure to maintain 3 points of contact whenever ascending, descending, and working on a ladder. All scaffolds must be erected by a trained and competent person as per the manufacturer's instructions. Prior to use, scaffold should be inspected to ensure it is in good working order and has no visible damage or missing components. All mobile scaffolds shall be used on a level ground and ensuring brakes are engaged. A ladder shall be supplied as access onto the scaffold. Fixed metal frame scaffolds must be inspected each day before use. All personnel working from an elevated work platforms will have working at heights training. Operators will require a work platform high-risk license to use a boom lift. Only approved, certified, and engineered fall arrest and fall restraint equipment will be used. Only approved mobile plant is permitted to be used for work at height activities. Exclusion zones will be established below the work area with barricading and signage. Standing on tow boards or railings to gain further height is strictly prohibited. All occupants of aerial lifts must wear a personal fall arrest harness. The user of height safety equipment must inspect their harnesses and lanyards before use. A competent and experienced person shall visually inspect height safety equipment on a 6-monthly basis. Equipment shall be tagged, and an inspection record will be included on the height safety equipment register. Fall mitigation must be used whenever there is an exposure to a fall greater than 6 feet. This includes active systems such as a personal fall arrest system or harness, or approved passive systems such as nets, guardrails, safety cables, barricades, floor hole covers, skylight screens, parapet walls greater than 42 inches, and warning lines for drops greater than 6 feet. Most importantly, before beginning any working at height task, we must mitigate any hazards. This is best achieved using the hierarchy of controls. Once all the hazards have been identified and the controls selected, evaluate the residual risk. If the residual is anything but low risk, continue using the hierarchy of controls to further mitigate the hazards. See your supervisor if you're unable to decrease the level of risk to low.